If you're in Karnataka and your house violates building bylaws, then breathe easy. The Karnataka government is introducing the Akrama Sakrama scheme to regularize illegal buildings and make them legal. The government says the move will help control the problem. But experts say that the BBMP is being blinded by the potential revenue from the scheme and unleashing a genie from the bottle. Lakshmi Sivdas joins us with that story.
As Bangalore, the IT capital of India, develops and grows, it finds itself struggling to cope with one of the biggest side effects of urbanization, the rise of illegal constructions. Take the Pearson apartment complex in Benson Town, for instance. A row of pakka houses adjoins the building. Originally built for slum dwellers, these pakka houses are now in violation of various building plan rules. The slum dwellers are constructing multi-story houses on their small plots of land without clearances from the building authority. That is a gross violation, but one that they are set to get away with, all thanks to the Karnataka government's proposed Akrama Sakrama scheme.
As per the existing provision municipal laws, we can regularize only 5% of the deviation. That new Akrama Sakrama scheme they are introduced, that is also challenged in the court. But it is having certain yardstick, 50% residential area can be regularized. That means 50% deviation. And in the commercial building, 25% deviation can be regularized.
Originally conceived in 2007 by the JDS and the BJP, the Akrama Sakrama scheme is in the final stage of getting implemented and only awaits a High Court nod. If approved, the scheme will allow an estimated 7 lakh building and site bylaw violators in Bangalore and another 5 lakh violators across the state to regularize their constructions by simply paying penalties. The government expects the scheme to net the civic authority, the BBMP, revenues of nearly 32,000 crore rupees. However, in its rush to gain revenues, experts say that builders and developers are getting away scot-free. There were an estimated 10 lakh illegal constructions in Bangalore back in 2007 when the Akrama Sakrama scheme was first proposed. Today, that number has grown even further. Experts say that if the scheme is passed, it will only encourage more illegal buildings in the city.
They are thinking the Akrama Sakrama, which is a one-time measure, will prevent further unauthorized constructions and violation. That is not correct. Actually, it will be more than what it is now, because the people who are violating, they say, oh, we will get it regularized, paying for penalty, don't bother. Like that they will continue.
Here, that engineers and all, permitting them to deviate and taken the money from them, and the innocent people given the money and constructing, they don't know the consequence of that. So, the government has to take action against such engineers.
But what's worse is the fact that the Akrama Sakrama scheme was not the only option in front of the government.
There should be a deemed provision where everything that is done in violation, that means an extra FSI or extra FER that is constructed, directly is a deemed provision, it rests in the hands of the government. And the government should take possession of it and also demolish it and charge the fee to the violator.
That then is the problem. Instead of taking steps to stop the construction of illegal establishments, the government is determined to choose that one measure which will help fill its coffers. Thanks to this, Bangalore may even see a vicious and potentially dangerous cycle. Some of these unplanned and unauthorized structures may even give way soon. From Bangalore, Lakshmi Sivdas, NDTV.